I mean, I saw it go up for a second.
Yeah. We'll just give it a second here. Whoa, Jesus Christ. That's the best I've got. I smell hair.
Oh, damn. Can I try it?
Yeah. Shall we get that in the frame?
Don't drink this water.
That one was kind of spooky. That even surprised me. And I've been liking that water quite a bit.
It's really upsetting, actually.
Yeah.
You know, it's not supposed to do that.